How to delete your Tumblr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily delete your Tumblr account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and log into tumblr.com. So open up your web browser and search for tumblr.com and make sure to log into the account that you want to delete. And once you've done that, on the left side you'll find your navigation bar. Just tap on the account section right here. And right below that you'll find settings. So just tap on settings. And once you've done that, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see an option to delete account. So you can just tap on delete account. Now, to make these changes, you'll first need to set a password. So if you have not set a password, you can just send the password reset link right here to create a password. And then you'll just have to enter the password to confirm that you want to delete your account. Now, once that is done, you should be easily able to delete your account permanently. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.